Hey everybody, this is Sonia from Fresh Betty Lifestyle, where your lifestyle is your brand. And I just want to show you what my dining room looks like right now. And don't worry, it's not it's not an episode of Hoarders. It's Halloween next week, and we get very into Halloween in this house. And my husband Jerry makes all of the kids' Halloween costumes every single year, and it's awesome because he's really good at it, and he's very artistic and creative, and he makes amazing costumes. So I just want to show you this one right here. That is going to be my son Henry's Halloween costume, and you'd have to be a real Star Wars nerd to know that that's a character in the cantina scene where those aliens are playing the music. But anyway, every year around Halloween, I see my husband go into his creative mode, and it just brings out everything in him that is passionate, and he's in a good mood. He's happy because he's allowing his creativity to flow. So I just want to ask you what is it about your life that allows you to be super creative, and when you get in that zone, the creative juices just flow and you're able to just create these amazing things that can help clients, that can help all the people around you, that can help your life, because your energy is just in that creative zone, and it's super positive and it's super happy and people are totally inspired. What is it? What is that thing that really gets you just in your creative zone, in your creative mode? And that is how you can be living on brand, because like the key to a really hot brand is one that's very creative and one that really is you and allows your total creative juices to flow. So I'd love to hear any comments that you have on that. What is it that makes you just like get in your creative zone? For me, it's getting outside. It's putting on my pair of running shoes, getting outside and getting in the fresh air, and that's when my creative juices, things just seem to flow right into my brain. All my program ideas, all my website ideas have all come to me when I'm outside in nature, moving my body, doing exactly what feels right to me. So share with me what it is about you that totally makes you just jazzed about your life and your creative ideas flow. All right, I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.